Yes, please.
Sir, if we take the example of free,
Free.
so, ji sir.
In free we have got onset. F is onset, R is onset, right? So as an onset we have got a consonant cluster, right? I'm coming to consonant cluster, like two consonants are there, F and R, and then E is the nucleus. So it is CV structure. We do not have the final C here. Free, right?
Okay,
if
sir.
if you want to write its second form or third form, he was freed from the jail, right? Freed, F-R-E-E-D, then it is CVC. CVC, that is the final C then.
Got it, sir.
Okay, how many people were present previously in the previous session, I mean a short while ago?
I think 32.
32. Okay.
Sir, 37.
37. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken the screenshots?
Yes, sir.
That is good. We have got 28 people only, excluding me. Inshallah, I'll upload the lectures onto a Google Drive, right, folder, and then I'll share the link with you. So if you want to go through these lectures again, they will be available to you people.
Thank you, sir.
We are 32, excluding me 31. Should we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's continue
Yes, sir.
with the same topic. Uh, yeah, so we may have a CVC structure, which is the standard one, right? I hope you can see the lines I'm drawing right there. The CVC structure. We may have CV structure. CV means consonant and vowel without the coda. We may have a syllable without an onset, right? Which is the VC structure. VC means vowel and consonant without having the initial consonant, right? And we may have simply a V, which is the vowel sound without having neither the onset nor the coda, right? So these are different syllable structures. We may have some other syllable structures. If you can see here, CCVC, right? CCVC means consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Look at the word green, right? G, R, E, N. Can you see it? G. I have to remove all this. Yeah, look at this. We have got G as well as we have got R, right? Then we have got vowel number 1, E, and here we have got N, right? So this structure is CCVC, CCVC in the sense consonant, consonant, vowel, and consonant, right? We may have VCC, VCC, right? If you look at the word eggs, for example, the word eggs, so we have got it here and we have got G here, and we have got Z here. Eggs, right? G and Z. So it is V C C. Are you people getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
this
Yes,
A
sir.
ant is also VCC, right? How VCC means vowel consonant. We have got A and then N and then D. So this is V, this is C, and again we have C, right? We may have CVC just like ham, H, ha, A, and or the examples which I provided to you. Book, for example, B is C, right? Then U is V and K is C. So CBC structure. We may have simply a V structure is in the case of I, or in the case of EYE, right? Or in the case of O, in interjection O, right? Its transcription is simply the O sound, right? O sound. Oh, right. So it's also V, only V, a simple V. We may have a CV structure, CV. Look at the word do. So the is the C, the word do, right? The is right here, C, and we have got then O, do. So we have got CV structure, CV. Again CVC, not N or T, CVC, I, and K, right? Remember one thing, do not go for the spellings, please. Go for the pronunciation only, because in PP and phonetics and phonology, we are not concerned with the spellings, we are concerned with pronunciation. So like sound, then depth number 2, I, right, which is a vowel sound, and we have got the k sound, k. So it is also CBC. Them is also CBC, Sam CBC, I only V, M VC, M because we write here M, right, A, and then so it is V and it is C without having the onset, right? So many examples are there. This kind of examples you may come up with.
Sir,
G.
sir, banana follows the which structures?
Which one?
What banana?
The word banana. If
Banana. Yes.
okay, if you look at the word banana, right? How many syllables does this word have? Let's talk about that first, right? B, na, na. How many syllables do we have?
3.
We have got 3 syllables, right? So the first syllable is B, right? Sorry, B, right? The second syllable is also CV, right? Uh, banana, and the third one is also banana. So the 3 syllables are there. Structure of the first syllable is like this: onset in nucleus. The second one also, CV, CV, CV. All of them are CV only. Banana. If you look at the word open, for example, or the word if we say onset, the word onset, right? Look at this, onset. So how many syllables do we have?
2, sir.
2.
We have got 2 syllables, right? We can divide a word into the syllables by counting the number of vowel sounds in the word, right? So we have got 2 vowel sounds, we have got 2 syllables. Now let's talk about the syllable structure of on. So on, we have got vowel sound and we have got n sound on, right? So first syllable is VC, the first syllable is VC, the second is sit, sa, a, enter. So the second syllable is CVC, CVC, and the first one is only VC, right? So this is how we may talk about the syllable structure of words in the syllable structure of syllables. Then got it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
How many syllable the word to hai?
the word
To.
two, it has got only one syllable, right? If you go for its phonetic
Yes, sir.
transcription, right, it's ta and two, right? So it has got only one
Okay, sir.
syllable because there is only one vowel sound, right? And its syllable structure is CV, CV, right? Because we have got the consonant and the vowel sound. Remember one most important thing: we may have a syllable without onset, we may have a syllable without a coda, but we can never have a syllable without a nucleus, right? Which is the vowel. Got it? Or in simple
Yes,
non-technical
sir.
terms, you may say we may have a syllable without the initial consonant, we may have a syllable without the final consonant, we may have a syllable without both these two, but we can never have a syllable without the nucleus. Nucleus, look at the word nucleus. Nucleus of the galaxy is the sun. Sun is the nucleus of the galaxy, right? The like that is the central and the most important point, right? Same is the case with the vowel sound as well. Vowel is the nucleus, it is the most important you may say aspect of element of a syllable. Now coming to consonant cluster, which we have already talked about, right? Consonant cluster means both the onset and the coda may consist of more than one consonant, right? Also known as a cluster, right? If you look at this, CCV, CCVC, so CC means two consonants are there. When you may simply say that two or more consonants or more than one consonant in an onset or coda is called a consonant cluster. More than one consonant in an onset or in a coda is called consonant cluster, right? This when we say CVC, then it's fine, right? But if it is CC, then this is called consonant cluster. Two consonants, two consonants or more than simply more than one, because there can be three as well, as I give you the example of the word street or stride, strike, right? Street, S-T-S-T-R, then one number one, right? Satara, E and T, street. The spelling is S-T-R-E-E-T, street. If you look at this word or this syllable, this is one syllable word, right? So it consists of these three consonants is the onset, and then this is the nucleus, E is the nucleus vowel, and this is then the coda, right? So in this onset, we have got three consonant sounds, s, t, r. This is called consonant cluster. There might be two, as in the word stand, S-T-A-N-D. So sounds are, we have got s and we have got t, st, right? Then we have got a, right? Stand. Here we have got n and da as well. Now we have got two consonants here, so it is c, c. Here we have got vowel sound v. Here we have got two consonants n and d, right? So one consonant cluster here, another consonant cluster here, c c v c c, right? So this is what we a consonant cluster means more than one consonant in an onset or in a coda. If the coda consists of more than one consonant, this is called consonant cluster. If the onset consists of more than one vowels, more than one consonant sound, this is called consonant clusters, right? If you look at CCC, three consonant sounds, so we have got certain you may say patterns here. Initially the s sound is usually there, sa, then the sa is followed by voiceless plosives, t, p, ch, or k, right? And then after that we have got either l or the sound, literal sounds, right? So look at these examples. Stress, can you see? S, is I have written here that there is usually a s sound, then there is either t or p or k, right? So as you can see here, we have got after the s sound we have got p. As you can see, we have got t and we have got k here, k, right? And then after the k or p or t, we have got l or r. As you can see here, we have got l, here we have got r, here we have got r, again here r, and here as well. This is only two, right? So if you look at this splash, so s sound is there, then p, and then o, and then ash, splash. If you look at spring, so s is there, p, and then r, right? So when we talk about CCC, like a consonant cluster consisting of three consonant sounds, so what we have a s sound, then we have got either p or t or k, either of these three, one of these three, right? And then we have got one of these two, either l or r, right? So there we have got then these CCC structures, like spring, as I told you, or the word street. Look at the word street. So s sound from there, s, then t sound from this combination, t, and r sound from this combination, street. Sorry, it's r, street, right? So this is CCC structure, CCC. If you want to write street, the full phonetic transcription, it is s, t, r, then e, and then t, right? So if you can see, we have got s, t, r, street. So the consonant cluster, simply keep in mind that a consonant cluster means more than one consonant sound in an onset or in a code. Got it? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. I think this much is sufficient for today. If you have got any question, you may kindly
Yes.
ask.
Excuse me, sir. What is the word cluster only, sir?
Twister,
Ji, sir.
the word twister, right?
Cluster. Sorry, sir. Only the word cluster. How can we define it?
Cluster mean a group of units. A group of
Ji,
units,
units.
right? When we say
Ji.
consonant clusters, so a group of consonantal units. That is a very good point you raised. Was it Sanaullah?
Daud Munir, sir.
Daud Munir, that is a very good point. Cluster means a group of units, a combination of units. So when we say consonant clusters, it means a consonant cluster means a combination of consonant sounds. Very good point. Very good point.
Ji, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question, confusion, anything you want to contribute?
Sir, will you upload this lecture?
Definitely, I'll upload it onto the group Google Drive folder, and then
And
I'll
sir,
share
the
the link.
previous one.
The previous one as well,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
right? Okay. Right, because in PP we are concerned with speech sounds. Now let's look for the consonant cluster in this. It is C, right? The syllable structure. Then we have got t. So t is also consonant, isn't it? T. Is it a consonant or a vowel, Sundas?
Consonant.
Consonant. What is r? It is a consonant or a vowel?
Consonant.
So C, C, C. Then I. Is it a consonant or a vowel?
Vowel.
It's a vowel sound, and S is consonant. So this is the syllable structure of this syllable stress, right? So if you look at this, C, 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 V, C, so we have got a C, C, C consonant cluster. Consonant cluster, a combination of consonant sounds. Clear?
Okay, sir. But there's a vowel present in it.
A vowel, see, okay. Okay, I got your point.
vowel a syllable is impossible.
I got I got your points in this. Let me just clear these things if it's possible. And I hope now you will understand, right? Let me write the phonetic transcription of stress again here, right? S, T, R, then E, and then S, right? Stress phonetic transcription is like this, right? So we have got coda, we have got one consonant is a coda, one consonant. Here we have got vowel, right, is the nucleus, and here we have got c, c, c. Can you see this? C, consonant, consonant, consonant. So as I told you that more consonant cluster means more than one consonant as an onset or as a coda, right? So if the onset consists of more than one consonant, this is called consonant cluster. Or if the coda consists of more than one consonant, that is also called consonant cluster. Now if you look at this onset, it consists of three consonant sounds. That is why it's a consonant cluster. Got it now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
There can be more than two consonants in onset and rhyme. In onset there can be more than two consonants. In coda there may be more than two consonants, right? Like look at this structure C C C at the end, right? Like after V, when we have got C C C. Look at the word students. Students, STUDENTS, right? So if we look at the word students, we have got S, T, right? Then we have got ya as well, stew, but they are, yeah, we have got stew, which is one syllable, stew. If you look at dunts, student is one syllable and dunt is another syllable, because we have got two syllables here, students. If you look at the word students, so we have got stew, u is there, and then dunts. So after da we have got up. Two vowel sounds means two syllables. So let's look for dunts, right? Dunts, d. Then we have got the cut sound, sorry, yeah, the cut sound, which is the vowel. And now n, t, sa. Look at its let's look at its syllable structure. We have got c here, we have got v here, and we have got c, c, c. So its syllable structure is C, V, C, C, C. It means we may have three consonants as the coda as well. You know, the coda consists of these three syllables, the three consonants. Got it now? Remember, the vowel sound must be only one. Vowel must be only one. If there are two vowels, it means there are two different syllables, as in the word student. So when we say stew, stew is one syllable, dunt is another syllable. So we have got two syllables here. G.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, why you divided the example banana into three
Because the word
parts?
okay, why did I divide that? If we look at the phonetic transcription of, yeah, I'm actually tired of driving these lines. Let me open the app for you if I have available phonetizer. No, I haven't installed it in my laptop, right? Phonetic transcription online, right? Look at the word for example, if I write the word banana, you're talking about banana, right? Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the phonetic transcription here? Ba, na, na. How many syllables do we have?
Three.
We have three syllables, right? if we have got 3 syllables, so obviously
sir.
we have to divide it into 3 parts in terms of syllables, right? Syllable number 1 is b. Syllable number 2, so the first syllable has got the CV structure, consonant and vowel, right? The second syllable is Americans write it like this, na. So again, if we look at this, we have got the consonant, and we have got a, which is vowel. So CV, bana and na. If you look at the last na, again that is a CV structure. So CV, that combinedly constitutes the word banana. Three syllables are there. We divide words in terms of syllables, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now I got it.
Okay, good.
Thank
Any
you, sir.
other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Inshallah. Have a nice day, sir.
G, if you have any question, you may ask anytime, right? I really appreciate your class. You people ask so many questions, and that is the reason that you people may learn a lot. Your other fellows from section B, they hardly ask any question. They do ask questions, but not creative questions like your class.
Sir, our class is better than each and every expert you may say about the question, about the friendly class and every expert.
They are also very good, right? We should not discourage anyone. Let's not say that one is better, another is worse. But this class is more active as compared to the second one.